Imagine waking up beside a quiet lake, soft morning light touching the mountains around you. You slowly open the door, step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hand, and breathe in fresh air that feels completely different from city life. There's no hotel hallway, no crowded lobby, no schedule, just you, the open road, and your own moving home waiting behind you. This is the kind of freedom many people dream about. And today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that promises exactly that feeling, the LMC T713 Passion from LMC.
From the very first look, the LMC T713 Passion feels confident and refined. This is a proper coach-built motorhome, measuring just over 7 meters in length, giving you that perfect middle ground between space and drivability. The front design is clean and modern. The wide windshield offers an open panoramic driving view, almost like sitting in a touring bus made just for you. The headlights are sharp and stylish, and when you see it parked at a campsite, it has a quiet presence. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely earns respect.
As you walk along the side, you notice the smooth exterior panels and subtle graphics. The design feels European, simple, elegant, and purposeful. Build quality is something LMC takes seriously. The body feels solid, and when you open and close the exterior compartments, everything shuts with a reassuring, sturdy sound. This is important because when you're traveling long distances, crossing borders, or driving through changing weather, you want a motorhome that feels strong and dependable. One of the standout features outside is the large rear garage. This space is perfect for bicycles, camping furniture, outdoor gear, or even a small scooter. For travelers who love active adventures, this storage area becomes a game changer. You also get an electric entrance step that makes getting in and out easy, especially at night. Add an optional awning, and you instantly create an outdoor living room wherever you park.
Now let's step inside, because this is where the LMC T713 Passion truly begins to shine. The moment you enter, you feel space. Natural light flows in through the large windows and roof skylights, making the interior feel bright and welcoming. The front captain chairs swivel around smoothly, turning the driving area into part of the living room. Together with the L-shaped sofa and dining table, this creates a comfortable space where 4 people can relax without feeling cramped. The materials feel warm and modern. Light wood cabinetry blends beautifully with soft upholstery tones. It's not overly flashy, but it feels refined. Overhead storage cabinets line the upper walls, offering generous space for clothes, travel essentials, and everyday items. The table is adjustable and sturdy, whether you're enjoying dinner, working remotely, or simply sitting with a glass of wine in the evening.
Moving toward the center, you reach the kitchen area. For a motorhome in this size category, the kitchen is impressively practical. You get a 3-burner gas stove, giving you enough flexibility to cook proper meals instead of simple snacks. The stainless steel sink is well positioned, and the refrigerator offers plenty of space for groceries, along with a freezer compartment for longer trips. Storage drawers are deep and thoughtfully designed, so pots, pans, and utensils all have their place. The countertop gives you enough room to prepare meals comfortably, which is something many travelers truly appreciate on extended journeys.
As we continue toward the rear, we reach the sleeping area, and this is where comfort becomes personal. The LMC T713 Passion features twin single beds at the back. This layout is extremely popular among couples because it gives each person their own space. The mattresses are thick and supportive, designed for real rest after long days of exploring. If you prefer one large sleeping area, an additional insert cushion can transform the twin beds into a spacious double bed. Above the beds, overhead cabinets provide even more storage, and underneath, you'll find extra compartments for luggage or seasonal items. A sliding door separates the bedroom from the living space, giving you privacy and making the motorhome feel like a true one-bedroom apartment on wheels.
Right next to the bedroom is the bathroom area, designed with a clever split layout. On one side, you have the toilet and sink. On the opposite side, a separate shower cabin. This separation makes daily routines much more comfortable, especially when traveling as a couple. The shower offers good headroom and practical materials that are easy to maintain. It's not overly luxurious, but it's functional, smart, and exactly what you need for long-term travel.
Under the hood, the LMC T713 Passion is typically built on a reliable European chassis platform known for smooth driving comfort. Behind the wheel, the driving position feels high and commanding, giving you a clear view of the road ahead. Despite being over 7 meters long, it feels surprisingly manageable. Modern features like cruise control, air conditioning, a multimedia system, and a rear-view camera make long journeys easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're cruising along highways or navigating smaller scenic roads, the stability and comfort are reassuring.
So what really makes the LMC T713 Passion stand out in today's competitive motorhome market? First, it's the build quality. LMC has built a strong reputation for durability, and you can feel it in the structure and materials. Second, the layout is extremely well balanced. The twin bed setup combined with a split bathroom creates comfort and privacy without sacrificing living space. Third, storage is generous throughout the motorhome, from the rear garage to the overhead cabinets and under bed compartments. Everything has its place. This motorhome is ideal for couples who want to travel long-term without stepping into the size and cost of a massive luxury coach. It's perfect for retired adventurers exploring Europe, families with one child, or travelers upgrading from a smaller campervan who now want more space and comfort. It gives you that sweet spot, more room than a van, but easier to handle than a full-sized Class A motorhome. Now, I want to ask you something. If you had this motorhome ready and waiting outside your home, where would your first trip be? Would you drive through the Swiss Alps, park along the Spanish coastline, or take a grand European road tour across multiple countries? And tell me, do you prefer twin beds like this, or would you choose a large island bed layout instead? Share your thoughts in the comments because I always enjoy reading about your travel dreams. In the end, the LMC T713 Passion isn't about showing off, it's about balance. Balance between comfort and size, balance between luxury and practicality, balance between adventure and relaxation. It's designed for people who love the journey as much as the destination. Imagine driving along a scenic mountain road, parking beside a peaceful lake, opening your awning, setting up chairs, and watching the sunset from your own private space. That's the lifestyle this motorhome offers: simple, comfortable, and free. If you enjoyed this full walkthrough of the LMC T713 Passion, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed motorhome tours and lifestyle reviews. Your support helps us bring you even more incredible homes on wheels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.